Morning, Eicher's class. Today we are finishing up 2.2 dividing to get decimal quotients. Can you guys divide?
Yes.
Can you divide and get decimal quotients?
Yes.
Do you guys know how to round?
Yes.
Do you guys know the definition of a decimal?
Yes.
Where do decimals live again? So this is a division problem here, right? It's 8 divided by 4, yeah? What is the answer called? No, what is the answer called? Quotient. And what is the number that is inside the division house called? And then what breaks the dividend into parts? All right, decimal quotients, here we go. Is this number right here, is 32 and 8/10 the same as 32 and 80/100?
Yes.
If I just keep adding zeros to the end, does it change the value?
No.
So if I have like 7.3, I can just keep adding zeros and it's still the same as 7.3?
Yes.
Look at this problem right here. We had 57 divided by 2, remember that?
Yes.
Okay, 57 divided by 2, and we did the math. Does 2 go into 5? 2 times? What's 2 times 2? Come on, keep up with me. What's 5 minus 4? 1. Bring down the 7. Does 2 go into 17?
Yes.
How many times?
8.
So I put the 8 up here. What's 8 times 2?
16.
What's left over?
1.
1. Now, that's where we left off, but I said I wanted a decimal answer, right? So because we had no more numbers to bring down, we actually had to make those numbers up, right? So we added a decimal point, because there's always an invisible decimal point after every number. And we added 3 zeros, because we can't change the value of 57, can we? No, but if we add 3 zeros, it keeps it 57, and it gives us a number to bring down, right? So I bring that number down. Does 2 go into 10? How many times? What's 5 times 2? 10. What's 10 minus 10?
0.
Do I need to keep going if I have no remainders? No. The only thing I forgot to tell you is, do we have to put this decimal point up here?
Yes.
Everybody cool with this?
Yes.
Okay, I just have a couple more things to clarify with you. What number always goes, if you have a division problem written like this, what number always goes inside the box? What happens if we do all 3? So we brought this last 0 down in this problem, right? And we still had a number left over. And we have no more zeros to bring down, and we already added 3. What is the rule, or what will I allow you to do? So if you do a homework assignment, you just keep going forever and ever and ever, don't round it to the nearest hundredth, that's your fault, right? So unless I tell you something different, you can always just round to the nearest hundredth. We cool with all this?
Yes.